Hi, I'm Kat.
Hi, I'm Deela. Welcome to Fabiani Style Studio. Today we're looking at which shoes to pair with your outfit.
Oh, that's a good one.
We have a velvet blazer in burgundy, a tuxedo shirt and trouser, and then finished with a Belgian loafer with a double monk strap.
The leanness of the shoe perfectly complements the narrow leg of the trouser. But you could also pair this outfit with a suede loafer, and then all you'd need is a little cigar. Perfectly luxurious.
Make sure your office game is strong this season. Take this office-appropriate look where we've mixed a textured blazer, a crisp white shirt, a smart trouser, and a burnished tan brogue. You can also wear the same look with a tassel loafer for an updated classic look.
The browns will complement the blue combinations, and it'll really help to bring out the detail in the shoe.
Casual looks like biker denims and tees are usually paired with high tops. Instead, we've used a black leather boot.
Yeah, it's rock and roll and makes for a great look over the weekend. And on that note, gents, make sure that you take care of your leather footwear. Give it some time to breathe between wears, and always give it that extra TLC with a nourishing polish. Great style is certainly worth the effort.
And gents, that is your footwear style hacks.
Make sure you always put your best shoe forward this season.